Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another fascinating topic in the world of immunohistochemistry. We're discussing the CD163 test. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Let's get into it. Pre-test information. First things first, let's talk about the pre-test information you need to provide for a CD163 test. You'll need to provide a copy of the histopathology report, the site of the biopsy, and the clinical history of the patient. This information is crucial for accurate analysis and interpretation of the test results. Specification of the test. Now, let's move on to the specifics of the test. The CD163 test is primarily associated with diseases involving inflammation and tumors. CD163 is a macrophage-specific protein that identifies cells of monocytic or histiocytic lineage. Essentially, it highlights macrophages, which are cells that respond to inflammation. Diseases associated. This makes CD163 a potential inflammation biomarker and a therapeutic target. It's particularly useful in evaluating and classifying tumor-associated macrophages, or TAMs. Overexpression of CD163 in macrophages is linked to a worse prognosis in certain cancers. Specimen used. Next, let's discuss the specimen used for the CD163 test. The specimen used for this test is typically a tissue sample obtained through a biopsy. This sample is then processed and prepared for immunohistochemical staining. Components included. Moving on to the components included in the test. The key component of the CD163 test is the antibody specific to the CD163 protein. This antibody binds to the CD163 proteins present in the tissue sample, allowing for visualization under a microscope. Test report time. And how long does it take to get the test results? The test report time for a CD163 test is typically around 7 days. This time frame allows for proper processing, staining, and analysis of the tissue sample. Test information. Let's delve a bit deeper into the significance of CD163. CD163 is a macrophage-specific protein. It identifies cells of the monocytic or histiocytic lineage, which are crucial in the body's response to inflammation. High CD163 expression in macrophages is a hallmark of tissues responding to inflammation, making it a potential inflammation biomarker. Furthermore, CD163 is a therapeutic target. It's used to evaluate and classify tumor-associated macrophages, or TAMs. Studies have shown that overexpression of CD163 in these macrophages is associated with a worse prognosis in certain cancers. Conclusion. So, in summary, the CD163 test is a powerful tool in immunohistochemistry, helping us understand inflammation and tumor dynamics better. It's a valuable test for both diagnosis and prognosis. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.